Get out from over here. Out from over here. And way up here. Because you already know who it is. What is this deal? The camera's falling apart. I don't know what happened. It's like good leverage come out. So I got me the desk out. Got this desk for free. My dad's office was trying out desk for the remodel. And they didn't like this model, so they just panned it right over to me. So let's do a little tutorial of my setup here. iPad, instant Netflix, pencils, not pencils, pencils. You got the mystery tackle boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even though I've done 5, my mom made me throw the first one out. So now you got my player right here. Got iPod. I don't know what that is, but it's iPod. It works. You got this. Got that one on the 3rd grade. I don't know. Yeah, 3rd, 4th grade. I turned like 10. I got that. I think 10, 9 or 10 when I turned. I got that. I got all the wires going down to here. Got my computer. Sticky notes. Frog. Notepad. Other iPod. Pencils. Bookshelf. That's pretty much it. It's HP. Alright, Navy. As you can see, got Navy sticker right here. Navy sticker on the key. We got Google on it. We got Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Netflix, Windows Movie Maker, Windows Store. We got all the good crap. Windows 10 on this junk. We already know who it is. I just wanted to make a video. I was bored. The Pennsylvania video is taking forever. So, bye.